Santos, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. And as you may have seen by the title, there's 11 of my family members flying in one plane and we are going, you know, to my niece's quinceañera. I'm so awkward, my first time filming out in public. And right now we are going to go get coffee before our airplane leaves. I'm here with my dad, my brother-in-law Nayi, my nephew Andy, and my brother and my mom, my sister in the back. My sister-in-law and my other nephews stayed back while we go get some drinks. I'm so excited and I'll be bringing you guys with me on this little experience. We're gonna get some coffee because you know some good Hispanics always drink their coffee, so that's what we're gonna do. We're looking for Starbucks. Starbucks will come for you. Literally, we walked the whole airport just to get coffee and it's closed. Oh, that's so cute. So Starbucks was closed, but we came to Gargacha. Oh no, wait, Clutch Coffee. I got I got a Mexican mocha with soy milk iced, and everybody got a little sim-simming. Let me show you. But Starbucks, they got nothing on you. Starbucks, you gotta hurt. You really do. So here's the rest of the gang. Here's Liam. Here's Dylan. Can you say hi? Hi. Sister-in-law with the baby. We just landed to Texas. We all look a mess, but it's okay. We made it, y'all. We made it, y'all. I didn't record much in the plane because it wasn't a nighttime, so we all just knocked out. We all fell asleep. But right now we are walking to the baggage claim to get our bags and reunite with the rest of the family. We are so excited. We is waiting for a ride. Oh my gosh. If you didn't love it. It's her quinceañera, the one you guys have been hearing about. Is here just for her for this lightning. Oh my gosh. So it is now Thursday, a day before the quinceañera, and we are getting prepared with the final touches, with the final details for the quinceañera of the lovely quinceañera. Too much, so I can leave the main video for next week, which you guys should watch and be on the lookout for. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to push like, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and do all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.